Hey everyone, this is Alex for PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make this cute little electric guitar out of polymer clay and resin, and I'm also using some wire as well. So first we're going to make the guitar body, so I'm taking some clay and I'm flattening it out into a fat pancake shape, and then I'm pinching out two little horns out of it, and these are the kind of like the spikes that come out of the electric guitar. I don't really know the name of it. And then you're just going to smooth out the sides, and I lowered one of the horns so it kind of faces horizontally. And then you want to bake according to instructions, and then make a little silicone mold out of it. So for the resin mix, I added some UV resin, along with some red pigment. I don't know why, but I feel like electric guitars are always red in my head. And a random assortment of glitters. And I pour the resin mix into my mold and let it cure under the UV lamp. So the electric guitar that I imagine always has some kind of like white plate on the front. So we're flattening out some white clay with a roller, and I'm placing it on my electric guitar template. And I'm cutting out an outline that's slightly smaller than the actual electric guitar body that we made previously. Next we're making, is it the neck of the guitar or the handle? So I'm rolling out some tan clay into a cylinder shape, and I'm cutting it in half. And I'm making sure I place it and it's the right length with the guitar, so I ended up cutting a bit of it off. So I'm cutting off a little rectangle or square on the top of my white plate. So then I'm placing the neck slash handle on top of my template. And to connect the little pieces together, I added a little tan piece of rectangle that looks like a little plank. And I'm blending it all together. So to make the tip of the handle, I'm taking some tan clay again, and I'm flattening out, and I'm cutting out like a B shape, like the letter B. And I'm attaching the letter B shape onto the tip of my handle. And I'm rolling out some silver clay into a thin cylinder and cutting off 3 little slices. And these are like the little handles to tune the guitar. Next, I'm rolling out some silver snakes of clay, and I'm placing them onto the handle part, and it's to show the little frets. And I'm adding a little white rectangle strip onto the bottom. And then I'm going to bake this according to instructions. And once baked, I'm just taking my blade and I'm going to slowly slice it off the little template that I made. So now we're revisiting the little resin piece that we made earlier. So I'm doming the top part just because it was a little bit underfilled. So I'm just doming it with some clear resin. And once cured, I'm adding some super glue to the back of my guitar white plate, and I'm going to stick it onto my little resin piece. Next, I'm adding a layer of glaze. And I'm adding some dot eyes and a line smile that have been pre-made and baked out of polymer clay. And once you have it all cured, we're almost done. We just have to add the little strings to it. So I believe these are called head pins. They're flat on top. They're really long pieces of wire. And I'm just going to cut them to the very last silver piece of clay that we have up there. So I'm just going to give it a layer of glaze up until that point. And I'm placing on the 3 pieces of wire that I cut out of head pins and letting that cure under the UV lamp once I have it fully placed. And I know a guitar should have 6 strings, but I could only really fit 3. But that's okay. Many guitars don't have faces to begin with, so it's not the most accurate from the start. So here's the finished product, a cute little electric guitar. And I am making 2 other musical instruments that will be coming out in the following months, so I hope you guys check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about this video and what you want to see in my next videos. Thank you!